Let me show you how to make homemade nacho cheese in the crock pot.
You're gonna start out with 1 pound of Monterey Jack cheese and 1 pound of pepper jack cheese. You're gonna wanna cube up your cheese. Next, you're gonna need 2 packs of Deli Deluxe American cheese. Cut these into quarters. Next, we're gonna slice and de-seed 2 jalapeños. Now all we need are 4 cans of evaporated milk. And now we're just gonna add all our ingredients to our crock pot. We'll give it a quick spray so it doesn't stick. Going in with the pepper jack and Monterey Jack first. Then we had 2 packets of the Deli Deluxe American cheese. That's going in. Yay. Pouring in our evaporated milk. Oh my goodness graciousness. That is going to be some kind of good, y'all. Then you're just going to cover. Set her on low for about 4 to 5 hours and enjoy with some homemade nachos.